there guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to unbox the brand new Lookfantastic box, and this is the birthday edition. Okay, so let's open it up immediately, and on the inside it says, don't just count the years, make the years count. Okay, so we have the beautiful paper and we have the booklet right here. And the paper is pretty much in the same color as the box. I have to say, very pretty box though. Oh my goodness, no! I see something in here and we just recently received this in a different box, so that kind of sucks. But this is the inside of this month's box. Oh, and if you hear some racket, that's like the dryer is on, and sometimes the baby is right over there. You could hear the baby, so just a heads up. Okay, so let's start out with, that was the baby. So let's start out with the very first thing, which is from Brushworks. It's the Jade roller, and we received this in a different box already. Okay, so even though I already own two, not one, but two, so I gave one away to my sister. I wanted to give away one to my mom as well, but she already has one because she bought it at the same time as I did. Did I show you guys? This is the box, and this is the roller inside, basically the same one I freaking own already. So now I have two, which is fine. I guess I could use one for travel purposes or something. I don't know. Okay, so let's look it up in the booklet. It's over here. It's from Brushworks, the Jade roller, and the worth is $9.99. Okay, moving on to something that we knew was going to be in here because we checked the back of the booklet of last month, which is from Elemis, and this is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream, the Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream, Anti-Aging. This is what that little sucker looks like. Clearly not a full size, clearly like a smaller sample size. And let's see where it's stated in the booklet. It's over here. So the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, 50 milliliters, the worth is 30 pounds. But I do believe that is a full size, and this is not a full size. So I can't believe this little thing is worth 30 pounds. Like, no, I think the full size is worth 30 pounds. Okay, moving on to something from Espa. This is the Natural Beauty Inner Calm Pink Hair and Scalp Mud Intensive Treatment Mask to condition and nourish hair and scalp. I actually showered today. Like, I need to dye my hair. Like, can you guys see that? Those roots? Not looking good. Anyway, this is what that little sucker looks like. Very, very welcome. I like literally yesterday bought a treatment for my hair. So wish I would have opened this box a little bit sooner. But I didn't. Anyway, moving on to, there we go, Espa Pink Hair and Scalp Mud, 30 milliliters. Oh, or you could get the Micellar Cleanser, 50 milliliters, and the worth of both is 5 pounds and 10p. Okay, moving on to, this is a brush from www.luxiebeauty.com. Hold on, let me just get it out of the foil. There we go. Oh, that feels very, very soft, and it's actually very big. It's the number 209 large shader. This is what that brush looks like, and over here is where it's stated. Let me see the booklet. It's over here. So like I said, from Luxie, the 209 large shader brush is worth 15 pounds. Hold on, that was just 4 items. I think, yeah, there should be more. Oh, there's actually more underneath here. And then we have, what's this? There's stuff in here. Hold on, let's just finish the products first. Okay, so this is from, what is this? It's a lip pencil from Diego Dalla Palma in number 80. And this is what that sucker looks like. And I'm actually not going to swatch it today because I am about to leave the house. And I don't want, you know, my hands to be all smudgy. So let's check out the booklet. Is it one color? Yeah, we all received the same color from Diego Dalla Palma Mini Lip Pencil, shade 80 Antique Pink. Is that the color name, Antique Pink? Doesn't say so. It just says 80, so I'm just gonna assume that's like the color name, 80 anti-pink, no, antique pink. The worth is $9.32. Oh, hold on. When looking at the booklet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, 6 items. So, oh my god, I am so freaking glad I got the Elemis one and not, okay, rewind. So this is from Elemis. It's the Beyond Powder Highlighter, and this is the beautiful little box. I'll show you the product later on, but what I wanted to say was, if you look at the, there we go. If you look at the booklet, we could get either the Mary Luminizer, God, highlighter, which I own. I bought the big one, or the Elemis mini, oh my god, highlighter that is worth £10, by the way. So I'm glad I got the Elemis one and not this one, since I already own it. And the Elemis I don't own just yet. So I am so freaking happy that this is in here. It's a mini, but actually it is perfectly fine. So this is what it looks like, and I could have actually used that sucker today. I'm wearing Fenty Beauty right now, but I could have used this one. But I am extremely, extremely excited that that is in here. Okay guys, that is it. Well, semi, that is it. We actually have, hold on, let me just check if there's more in here. No, there's not. So we got a little Lookfantastic sticker in here, and we received Lookfantastic beauty box. This is one of those pop things for your phone. Hold on, my phone is here. This kind of a thing. See? This thing, but just from beauty box. So I'm actually really happy with this, because honestly I don't care what it says on the back. I'm just happy that I have it, and you know, my phone, I don't drop my phone. So that is pretty cool as a little extra. I love these kind of little extra things in here. It makes the box kind of special, especially their birthday edition box. Okay guys, so we received 6 actual items. The rest is kind of extra. What do I think? Honestly, this to me definitely is a birthday box. I enjoyed it. We got a brush, we got some cosmetic items, we got the roller, we got some makeup in there. The Elemis I'm so freaking happy about, as well as the lip liner. You can never have enough lip liners in my opinion. So personally, I love this box. Okay guys, let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this month's box? I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!